Good evening, viewers. Tonight, we step into a universe where Greek mythology collides with modern-day adventure. Because the much-anticipated second season of Percy Jackson and the Olympians is finally here. Fans around the world have been counting down the days since the debut of Season 1 last December, which brilliantly brought Rick Riordan's beloved novels to life on screen. The first season closely followed the storyline of The Lightning Thief, captivating audiences with its blend of suspense, humor, and thrilling action sequences. More than just a fantasy adventure, the show has become a cultural touchstone for fans young and old, exploring universal themes such as bravery, friendship, and self-discovery. As Season 2 premieres, expectations are soaring, with promises of even more magical adventures, powerful monsters, and the trials that define a hero's journey. Analysts note that the show's careful balance of action, heart, and mythology has made it a rare success in translating a popular book series to screen, appealing not just to longtime readers, but also new audiences encountering Percy's world for the first time. Season 2 continues Percy Jackson's heroic journey by adapting the second book in Riordan's series, The Sea of Monsters. In this installment, Percy sets sail on a perilous quest to rescue his friend Grover while protecting Camp Half-Blood from looming threats. The storyline promises even higher stakes than the first season, with complex challenges, new mythological creatures, and moments of profound personal growth for Percy and his companions. Beyond the fantasy and adventure, the series continues to explore deeper themes such as loyalty, courage, and identity, providing viewers with more than just action-packed sequences. Experts suggest that the careful integration of Greek mythology into modern settings, combined with relatable teenage dilemmas, is what sets this adaptation apart from other fantasy shows. With Disney Plus and Hulu set to release 2 episodes simultaneously on the premiere day, followed by weekly installments, audiences are given both instant gratification and the anticipation of serialized storytelling, creating a perfect balance for engagement and discussion among fans online. Production quality has become one of the most talked about elements of Percy Jackson and the Olympians, and Season 2 is expected to raise the bar even further. From visually stunning depictions of ancient mythical realms to the seamless blending of magical elements into modern urban landscapes, the show immerses viewers in a world that is as believable as it is fantastical. Costume design, special effects, and set construction have all been meticulously planned to stay true to Riordan's imaginative vision, while also appealing to audiences accustomed to high-budget streaming productions. Analysts highlight that this attention to detail not only enriches the viewing experience, but also respects the source material, ensuring that fans of the books feel both nostalgic and surprised. Early behind-the-scenes footage and interviews suggest that the creative team is committed to expanding the scale of adventure, with epic sea battles, enchanted creatures, and unexpected plot twists that promise to keep audiences on the edge of their seats. The cast of Season 2 continues to be a significant draw for fans, with returning actors bringing depth and consistency to their roles. Percy Jackson, portrayed with a perfect balance of wit and determination, continues to anchor the story, while the supporting cast, friends, demigods, and gods alike, adds emotional weight, humor, and tension. Critics note that the chemistry between characters is a major reason the series resonates beyond its action scenes, emphasizing the importance of friendship, family, and personal growth. Season 2 also introduces new characters from The Sea of Monsters, expanding the mythological universe and raising narrative stakes. Beyond storytelling, the show has sparked discussions about adapting beloved books into TV series, with Riordan himself serving as a consultant to ensure authenticity. Viewers and analysts alike are watching closely to see how these new additions enhance the story while staying faithful to the beloved source material, making this season a crucial chapter in the ongoing success of the franchise. Season 2 also promises to deepen the exploration of mythology, introducing viewers to new gods, monsters, and magical locations. The Sea of Monsters itself, a mysterious, dangerous, and ever-changing body of water, serves not just as a backdrop for adventure, but as a character in its own right, challenging Percy and his friends with trials that test their courage and intelligence. Analysts note that the careful blending of mythological lore with modern storytelling is a key factor in the show's appeal, making Greek myths accessible and exciting for a new generation. This season also explores the consequences of past choices, showing that heroism is as much about responsibility and wisdom as it is about bravery. Fans can expect epic battles, clever problem-solving, and emotional moments that resonate far beyond the fantastical elements of the story. Streaming strategies for Season 2 are designed to maximize engagement and fan discussion. Disney Plus and Hulu have chosen a hybrid release model, 2 episodes on the premiere day, followed by weekly releases. This approach allows viewers to binge just enough to stay hooked, while leaving time to speculate, discuss, and analyze each installment. Social media is already buzzing with fan theories about upcoming plot twists, character development, and hidden mythological references. Experts argue that this release pattern encourages a sense of community among fans, making it not just a show to watch, but a cultural conversation to join. Moreover, the show's accessibility on multiple platforms ensures it reaches both devoted followers of the books and newcomers, expanding its audience globally. Critics are also paying close attention to how Season 2 handles the balance between staying faithful to the source material and introducing new elements for television. The series has been praised for respecting Rick Riordan's world while adding cinematic techniques, modern dialogue, and expanded character arcs that enhance the storytelling. Early previews suggest Season 2 includes more complex emotional beats, exploring themes such as self-doubt, leadership, and the cost of heroism. By weaving these themes into thrilling quests and magical challenges, the series appeals not just to young audiences, but also to older viewers who appreciate layered storytelling. Analysts believe this careful approach is why Percy Jackson and the Olympians has achieved critical acclaim while maintaining mass appeal. As we look ahead to the rest of the season, one thing is clear: Percy Jackson's journey is far from over. The combination of mythological adventure, compelling character development, and high production quality makes this series a standout in today's streaming landscape. Fans can expect every episode to be packed with suspense, humor, and heart, continuing the story of friendship, bravery, and discovery that has made the books so beloved. Whether you are a long-time reader, a first-time viewer, or someone simply looking for an exciting, well-crafted fantasy series, Season 2 of Percy Jackson and the Olympians promises a journey worth taking. So prepare your popcorn, gather your fellow demigods, and set sail into the Sea of Monsters. An adventure awaits that you won't soon forget.